Yo, what's going on, YouTubers? Plumpy Man here. Just doing a little video today. We got an unboxing going on. As you can see, this just showed up today. Down here at my sister's in Kentucky. Showed up on the front porch today, and it's from a company called Riitek. I haven't been doing videos on it just because I don't know that much about it. I'm still learning myself. But I'm building basically a retro gaming computer is what I've been building. And I've just been watching and talking to people on YouTube and getting all the information and stuff I need. And it's actually worked out pretty well. And I got it all almost completely done. Everything working. But to go into the program and stuff on it, you need a USB keyboard. And I didn't have one down here. I didn't have one at home either. But I called the company and asked them, I've seen you guys do a lot of stuff on YouTube and Amazon and stuff like that. And I just asked them about reviewing one of their keyboards. And they contacted me and said, yes, they'd love me to do that. Or love for me to do that. And they wanted me to do reviews on Amazon. I told them, I don't know much about that. I've never done a review on Amazon except for leave feedback or whatever on something I bought. I've never done a video. And I said, I always do YouTube, which you guys know that. And anyway, they emailed me back and said, cool, that's fine. Just do a little review on this stuff that we're going to send you on YouTube. I said, sure, I'll do that, no problem. And within an hour, they sent me an invoice saying they already had a shipping label and everything printed, and they'll be shipping it out. That was 2 days ago, and it was on the front porch today. So anyway, we'll go ahead and open it up and let you guys see what they sent me. They make a lot of keyboards and electronic and stuff like that, but Riitek is real known for their their gaming computer keyboards and stuff like that. And a lot of people on YouTube talk about their they have one that's called Riitek 902 or 900 and a 901. Well, from what I was told, we'll go ahead and open this up here. I'm trying to keep it back so you don't see my address and their address and stuff. Actually, they sent a little something extra in here. But I'll go ahead and try to get this out. As you can see, that's the gaming keyboard, and they actually sent this to... this is the newest version. It's called their Riitek 902 gaming keyboard. That's just the box it comes in. Looks pretty cool. And we'll try to go ahead and get that opened up. And they actually sent this too, which is pretty cool. I didn't even know they were sending this. This is their Riitek 3200 DPI. It's their newest version of the wireless mouse. Just has a little USB dongle that you plug into wherever your USB port, and then it automatically picks it up, and you have a wireless mouse. But like I said, this is their Rai MO8 2.4 gig wireless laptop computer or MacBook wireless mouse. We'll go ahead and open it up and let you guys see what's in it and how it looks. Like I said, they sent this out to me, and I contacted them. They sent it out to me and wanting to do a review. I told them I would gladly do that. This package pretty nice and looks pretty solid too. But that's it. That's the little piece of fuzz on it. Wireless mouse that they sent me. Feels pretty good. It's got the up and down screen, and see what kind of batteries it takes. Like I said, inside here, that right there is your USB dongle. It takes 2 AAA batteries, which honestly I would plug it in, but I don't have 2 AAAs right now sitting here with me. But that's it. That's the Riitek wireless mouse, and we'll try to get this open here if we can. This is the Riitek 902 gaming keyboard. Wow. Comes in this here. I'll go ahead and show you this too. This was inside of it. Just some paperwork and stuff on it. From Riitek.com. And this is the keyboard itself. Looks pretty neat, just like a average keyboard. It's got high-rise buttons. Feels pretty good. Pretty responsive just from using it right here. But the one cool part about it is all these keys are raised. And as you can see, it is a USB plug on the end of it. And just plug it into anything with USB. And all these keys are raised, but they all light up. It has, I think, 7 different colors, like red, green, blue, orange, white, and I don't know the others right offhand. Like I said, I just opened this, just got this out of the box today. And it'll either, you can keep it a constant color, you can keep it all red, all blue, or whatever. Or you can, it's in the instructions. I watched a little bit on YouTube about it. You can hit FN and control or something like that, and it'll fade from blue to green, fade out in red and white, and just scan through all the colors. But I'll probably just pick a regular color like green and leave it like that. But like I said, I'm building a retro gaming computer, and the only way I can access inside of it, and it runs off, actual program and stuff it runs off is Linux, which is kind of old stuff, but it's weird. It's hard to get used to. I'm super new to it. And the only way to access the Linux part of it is with a wireless or a USB keyboard. So that's why I contacted these people. And mainly that's what I'll be using it for, and I'll be using it on there. And I'll probably do another video later on and showing the reviews on it and telling how much I like it and showing it all lit up and everything like that. But anyway, that's it. This is the Riitek 902 gaming computer, or gaming keyboard for my computer. Just an unboxing, letting you guys see it, and first off. But anyway, that's it. If you guys know anything about them or have any information about them, please let me know, because I honestly am super new to them and don't know that much about them yet. But anyway, that's them. So far, really responsive and looks good. Can't wait to plug it up and see how she works. But that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks.